क्या हाल है दोस्तों। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं माय फेवरेट रॉक एल्बम्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम। ये वीडियो उनके लिए नहीं है जो ऑलरेडी रॉक म्यूजिक फैंस हैं, इसलिए डोंट कम एट मी विद दैट शिट। ओ माय गॉड विनम्र, योर टेस्ट इज इन नीश इनफ, थप्पड़ मारूंगा मैं।
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा, चल।
ये उन लोगों के लिए है who've been fascinated, who've been reaching out to me on Instagram. I like the way that you like these specific rock songs and I would love to know more. ये उन लोगों के लिए समझे। If you're just a music fan passing by through this channel, also check this out because I think you've heard of the classic AC/DCs, the Beatles, the Black Sabbaths, the Led Zeppelins and the Queens. This list in particular is slightly different. It's got more alternative avant-garde rock bands, psychedelic rock bands, a very famous popular band's best album. ये सब है. So my favorite 5 rock albums of all time are, the first album is called Loaded by the Velvet Underground. यहाँ या फिर यहाँ आ जाएगी. The Velvet Underground, कैसे शुरुआत करूँ? The lead singer is Lou Reed, famous New York guy. कॉलेज के अंदर लिटरेचर पढ़ा, रियलाइज करा इट्स टू बोरिंग टू बी एन ऑथर, डिसाइडेड टू बिकम अ म्यूजिशियन. उसकी सॉन्ग राइटिंग, इनफैक्ट वन ऑफ द फेमस सॉन्ग्स बाय द वेलवेट अंडरग्राउंड एक्चुअली इज अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी स्पोकन ओवर अ गिटार पीस. तो ये सीन है. वेरी वेरी अवांट-गार्ड, वेरी डिफरेंट, फ्रीक्वेंट हेरोइन यूजर. देन द अदर मेन गाय जॉन केल, एक वेल्श म्यूजिशियन जो इतना एक्सेंट्रिक था अपने म्यूजिक प्लेइंग स्टाइल के अंदर. वेरी क्लासिकल, very experimental in the sense कि the band broke up because John Cale wanted to record their next album underwater woofers के साथ. और obviously Lou Reed ने कहा कि भाई मेरे को थोड़ा mainstream भी देखना है. The rest of the members are pretty inconsequential. But this band was brought together in the New York art photography scene, जिसको 60s के अंदर मशहूर art curator, musician, director Andy Warhol चला रहा था. Andy Warhol was famously gay and he was famously talented, and he was famously talented for bringing together models and bands. He put on their shows, he made them famous. He's also the same guy whose artwork you see on Velvet Underground and Nico's album, which is just that. इसका यही टाइटल है. उस पर एक बहुत बड़ा सा बनाना बना हुआ है, and the way it's illustrated is in a very peculiar way. If you actually own the record, you'll see कि बनाना को पील करने के बाद एक अंदर पिंक बनाना निकलता है. Whatever innuendos are there are pretty obvious, right? But this band has a very interesting story as far as the sound is concerned. Muted down sound, muted down drums, एक बड़े frenetic तरीके से गिटार बजता है. Even the vocals are very nasally, but I enjoy them because they basically were the first, जो हम term use करते हैं, avant-garde rock, unique, offbeat. They were the first band from the 60s from the USA to successfully do that, right? I even love Lou Reed's solo stuff. But this band is worth checking out, especially अगर तुम्हारी classic rock या rock journey के अंदर you're stuck with like the horrible Avenged Sevenfold or Foo Fighters or 90s बकवास तुम्हें मिल गया. Go all the way back and you'll find gems like Loaded by the Velvet Underground. The next album on the list is, now we're moving from the New York scene to deep down south, maybe in Texas, maybe somewhere else. कंट्री साइकेडेलिक रॉक, एक ऐसा जॉनर, और इस बैंड ने इसे बनाया जिनकी एल्बम है इलेक्ट्रिक म्यूजिक फॉर द माइंड एंड बॉडी बाय कंट्री जो एंड द फिश. ये एल्बम इतनी ही अजीब है और इस एल्बम का मेरे को डिस्कवर करना उतना ही अजीब है जितना कि कोई 2 absurd बातें, जैसे कि क्या बोलते हैं, गधे के सर पर स्टिंग, राइट? दैट्स अनदर फेमस एनालॉजी सेइंग व्हाटएवर. 60s के अंदर बना. हाउ डिड अ किड इन फरीदाबाद डिस्कवर इट? वेल, आई डिड because I read a lot of forums and they often featured in 5 most underrated psychedelic rock albums of all time. अगर तुम्हें किसी भी प्रकार के माइंड ऑल्टरिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस लेने का शौक है और तुम थक चुके हो अपने दोस्तों का घटिया साइड ट्रांस सुनते हुए, या whatever little shit out there is peddled as psychedelic music, trippy music, this album is a fucking roller coaster through your head. quote unquote वो सारी अब मेरे लिए बोरिंग बट पहले इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रिपी चीज़ें. इफ म्यूजिक कुड बी मोर ट्रिपी देन दिस, I'd be in for a surprise. But for your first psychedelic rock album, don't go to Pink Floyd, don't go to The Doors, go to Country Joe and the Fish, electric music for the mind and body. One of their songs, Grace, is a particular favorite of mine. ये है second album. The third album is by The Doors, and इस album का first name एक्चुअली इसके लीड सिंगर के लास्ट नेम है. द एल्बम इज कॉल्ड मॉरिसन होटल. द डोर्स के बारे में क्या बताऊं. दे आर नोटोरियस, एवरीवन नोज देयर सॉन्ग LA Woman. जिम मॉरिसन इज famous for being famously dead at 27, also famous for extensive drug use, smartness, being able to invoke riots, labeled himself as the orgasmic god of rock and roll, very smart, very well read, a poet. Uski mashhoor album Bonus, An American Prayer by Jim Morrison and the Doors is also a fantastic listen. It's got famous songs like Roadhouse Blues, जिसे मैंने karaoke में भी बजाया है, Waiting for the Sun, Indian Summer, Blue Sunday. I'm sure you must have heard sitar sounding like guitars and guitar sounding like sitars and a collaboration of the two. But then there is the third space that those guitarist Robbie Krieger initiates, जिस तरह वो गिटार बजाता है. और जिम मॉरिसन की बैरिटोन आवाज़, ये लिरिक्स, it's one of those albums that will एक नया ही दिमाग में एक वो बना लेगा जॉनर, कि ये ना एग्जैक्टली फुली AC/DC वाला रॉक है और ना ही ये सोलफुल म्यूजिक है. It's right in the middle of contemplative, dangerous, and astonishingly beautiful. The Morrison Hotel by The Doors is the third album on this list. Pink Floyd मशहूर है Dark Side of the Moon के लिए. वो ट्राइंगल वाली एल्बम जिसने बड़े छोटों इक्वली सबके भोसड़े खोल दिए. But then Pink Floyd is also famous for that horrendous song. The more times you play it, the more horrible it gets. Another brick in the wall, right? We don't need no edge, वो वाला. But if you go back to Pink Floyd's roots, 1970s or 71's Meddle, मेरी फेवरेट एल्बम, उसके अंदर एक गाना है Fearless. उस गाने को सुन लो, उसके लिरिक्स सुन लो. तुम्हारे अगर रूम डे ना खड़े हो जाए, मेरा नाम बदल देना. मेरा नाम मत बदलना, in the sense you get the point. The claim that I'm making is I'm so passionately behind it because I remember listening to this album, the lyrical mastery of Roger Waters, the guitar of David Gilmour, and then of course Richard Wright and Nick Mason. In सबने इस एल्बम में क्या बनाया, it's so underrated. The song A Pillow of Winds makes me feel like I'm young enough to lie in a field and stay there for hours at end. कोई परवाह नहीं, मैं मज़े से लेटा हुआ हूँ. Again, many people claim that Pink Floyd were on drugs. It's completely bullshit, incorrect. Their founding member Syd Barrett was on drugs most of the time and he was schizophrenic, so rest in peace. But ये लोग नहीं थे, because if you're a musician watching this video, if you listen to the time signatures, the guitar techniques used, the complicated scales on which they're playing, बड़ा efficient और smooth लगता है बाहर से, but they're technical gods. उनकी technical godliness की वजह से ये album बहुत ज़्यादा फाड़ है. Of course, the last album on the list is, अब तो Coldplay DJ के साथ collaborate करता है, but back in 2000 when I was 3 years old, मैंने ये album नहीं सुनी. But when I turned around 14, I listened to Parachutes by Coldplay. इसके अंदर, you know, the lead singer, उसका नाम मैं भूल रहा हूँ, but he's just Chris Martin, right? He's just come of age, वो figure out कर रहा है वो कौन है. The sound is very powerful, like you're on a beach. This band has a lot of promise. The millennium has just started. It's one of those albums that are always etched in my memory because every single song is a theme in itself. As Coldplay grew and became a national and international sensation, they changed. यहाँ पे इस बैंड के रूट्स हैं. You know that sort of thing when people say like, जब इनका पहले वाले दिन थे ना, they were really raw, really good, the OG stuff. So this is quite literally the OG stuff. I've given you 5 albums, but I haven't been very rock critic-y, you know, जिस तरह के वो यूज़ करते हैं, scintillating guitar sound, ला 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 ला. I've just cut straight to the chase. तो अगर तुम्हें albums पसंद आए, don't ask me for more recommendations. Instead, what you do if you're on Spotify or anywhere else, follow the algorithms and you will discover gold. ये 5 are very good starting points if you're interested in rock and roll. I haven't mentioned Indian bands because let's face it, I was never really a big fan of Indian rock. My only ray of hope at all came twice in my life. Once when Rock On was released, and second when Peter Cat Recording Co. released their Portrait of a Time. और उसके अंदर भी like it's less rock, it's more, I don't know, jazz rock space, I don't know. But I hope this helps. Let me know if you like this series. We'll make more of these. And I'm gonna head out now. Subscribe करना मत भूलना दोस्तों, और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दो. और मेरे को डकार आ रही है राजमा की, तो I'm gonna go and finish that डकार. Can't do it on the mic. And yes, see you in the next video.